Rob Kardashian and Blac Chyna's dream has finally come true, and now it's time for baby Dream and Mummy Blac to take a nap. As Dreams and the reality star soundly snoozed under a leopard print blanket, first-time father Rob Kardashian took the opportunity to capture something unexpected: loud snoring. Listen to it for yourself. Motherhood sure is exhausting. On the other hand, Aunt Kylie is taking care of King Cairo. According to sources, Kylie really stepped up the mommy duties since Blac and Rob have been in the hospital with Dream. Well, what is family for if not this? So, any cute messages for baby Dream?